Hi, I'm here to meet with Mr. Stimpson. I was involved in an accident.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry to hear that. Mr. Stimpson's right this way. Him and his injury law group are ready for you.
Hi, it's great to meet you.
I can't thank you enough. Quick question. My brother was arrested recently. Know any good criminal lawyers?
Let me introduce you to Tiffany Burks, the head of our criminal law division.
Dismissed? Wow. Do you think we can see my nephews now?
Mr. Thornton with our family law group is waiting for you. Strategies all laid out.
My nephews are home, where they belong. I'm so relieved.
Varghese Summersett. One firm, 3 divisions, countless lives changed.